So first, let's have, without wasting time, and I'm not waiting any further for the rest of the children to join. I don't know why are they late. First, please have a look at this question, everyone. If 18 by 27 is equal to A upon 21, then what is A? The question is, if 18...
Ma'am, we have to divide.
Please listen to me. Please just give me 2 minutes. Listen to me. I'm telling you a very easy way to solve these questions, because in Olympiad, you will be having specific time. So please listen. Now, children, whatever is, do you understand left hand side and right hand side? LHS is left hand side, RHS is right hand side. On left hand side, I have 18 upon 27, and on right hand side, I have A upon 21. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am, you are clear.
Now, when this 21 goes to left hand side, 21 is my denominator on right side, correct?
Yes.
So when this denominator goes to left side,
7 by 21.
Bacha, please let me finish. Otherwise, I'll have to put everyone on mute if somebody speaks in between now. Just let me finish so that you get clarity on question number 14. So when this 21 goes to left side, it will go in the numerator and it will get multiplied to 18. 21, which is in denominator on right side, when it goes to left side, it goes in the numerator and multiplies with the number which is already there in the numerator. This is the most easy way to solve this question. This is the actual way to solve the question. So now, no need to do 18 into 21. Do you... in the numerator and denominator, is there any number which come in the common table? Who was talking in between about 7 upon something? Who was that? Tell me now, help me now. Okay, tell me one thing. Can I reduce 18 upon 27? Can I reduce that? 18 and 27.
I got the answer also.
They come in same table. How can I reduce? I can reduce them by 9. 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. Yes, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
yes, ma'am. And 21 and 3, they come in the same table?
Yes,
3
ma'am.
3.
Yes, ma'am.
3 7s are 21. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
so now what is left? In the numerator, I am left with 2 multiplied by 7. And in the denominator, I am left with only 1. So this is my A. So my A is equal to 14 because 2 into 7 is 14.
14 by 1.
14 by 1 is 14 only.
Yes. Ma'am, there is drawing on your...
That's okay, Larika. I'll stop the annotation. So is this question clear to everyone? Are you able to understand? Yes, Ishan. Is there a doubt?
No, ma'am. I made a drawing. Can I show you?
Wait, Ishan. Let me finish the question, then I'll see. So is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because this is the simpler question. In the same way, I will be explaining you now question number 14. So this should be clear to you. Okay, you say clear, then now let me solve question number 14 in the same way. See, on left hand side, I have A upon 15 plus A upon 15 plus A upon 15. So 3 A's, 3 upon A, that will become 3 upon A because all the fractions are like and they have the same denominator. So it becomes 3A upon 15.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If Alarika is saying yes, because rest everyone was there in the last class. And on right hand side, I have 18 upon 45. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us take 15, which is in the denominator on left side, will go in the on the right side and it will get multiplied to the numerator right side. So which means 3a is equal to
Ma'am,
18.
ma'am,
Bacha, 1 minute, please. Upon 45 into 15. Till here, if there is a doubt, you have to ask me now only.
ma'am,
Yes, Alarika.
ma'am, I'm not able to do fractions problem sums.
So, Alarika, you will have to ask me your doubts. Now, if you will watch the video of the last class, n number of questions are discussed in the last class. All are word problems.
Yes, ma'am, but I watched it, but I didn't understand still. Ma'am,
The questions that you still didn't understand, you can ask me after this.
actually, I had a question 13.
Hey, beach mein nahi bolenge, please.
Okay.
Let me first finish this question. I will solve all the doubts, but not like this. Is there a doubt in this question till the step I have done?
No, ma'am.
No, na.
Ma'am.
Bolo, Radhya.
Alarika. Yes, ma'am. I have done. Can you repeat it again?
Sure. See, Aradhya, a upon 15 plus a upon 15 plus a upon 15. I have three a's in the numerator and my denominator is same. Everywhere I have 15 in the denominator. When we have like fractions, what do? We simply add the numerators and the denominator remains the same, right? So a plus a becomes my 3a and my denominator is 15. Okay? And on right side, it is already given to me. On right side, it is 18 upon 45. Now, in the last question, from right hand side, we took the denominator to left hand side. In this question, from left hand side, we are taking the denominator to right hand side. That is the only difference. This 15 is going here. So when it is going here, it will get multiplied to 18. Now see, 18 upon 45. Can I reduce it using table of 9? Yes. 9 2s are 18 and 9 5s are 45. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And 15 and 5. 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So it is so simple now. 3a is equal to 2 into 3 means 6. So there, if 3a is equal to 6, then what is my a? What shall I multiply with 3 so that I get 6?
Ma'am, 2.
2. So that is how we get a as 2. Last time you were like, ma'am, it is 6. Ma'am, it is 6. I agreed it is 6, but 3a was 6, not a. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And last time, it was a mistake from my end also because I teach children who are in grade 6 and 7 and they understand the, their thinking level is higher. They are in higher grades. So I was trying to explain you the way I explained them and I forgot that you people are in grade 3. You are not of their level. So then I thought of a simpler way and this is the simpler way. Okay.
Ma'am, I had a question that in the third one, in the 13th one.
Yes, in the 13th one, yes.
So, ma'am, why is there the and 1 and the plus beside 2?
Acha, these are mixed fractions. 1 is the whole number. 13 upon 17 is your proper fraction. These are mixed numbers. Mixed numbers I taught you na dharya that mixed numbers are made up of a whole number and a proper fraction. And again in the other one, 2 is the whole number and 12 upon 17 is the proper fraction. Shall I tell you a quick way to solve this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, only add the whole numbers. Whole number in this one is 1. So I am writing 1 here. And whole number is this one is 2. So I am writing 2 here. And I am putting them in a bracket. Okay. I am putting plus sign between y because here I have plus sign. Okay.
Ma'am.
And I am putting another bracket and I am writing 13 upon 17, which is given to me in this here. And
Ma'am.
1 second here. And then I'm writing 12 upon 17 with addition sign because I have to add them up. Both the fractions are like? Both the fractions are like?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will simply add the numerator.
Yes.
So what will I get? 25 upon 17?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
And
when I add the whole numbers, what will I get?
Ma'am,
3.
Yes.
3. Right?
Yes.
3. So one way is to do this, but I can further change the answer. How? When I
by dividing,
I will have to, because bache, mixed number is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Is 25 upon 17 a proper fraction? No, it is an improper fraction because numerator is bigger than the denominator. Correct?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let me simplify it further. 17 ones are 17. So what am I left with? What is my remainder? Is it 8?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I write this as mixed fraction, how will I write? 1, 8 upon 7. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This becomes my whole number. This becomes my numerator. And sorry, this is upon 17. This becomes my denominator. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what I'll do, this 3 here, I will add this 3 to this 1. Because 3 is also a whole number and 1 is also a whole number. So it will become 4, 8 upon 17.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, clear? There is another way to it. But this is the simple method. You can first change it into improper fraction. You can first change both the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then add them up. And then bring it back to mixed fraction. That is a lengthy way. The way that I am telling you is an easy way, is a shortcut.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, Alarika has doubts. Who else has doubts today? Alarika, which question do you have doubt in? Is it from the same sheet?
No, ma'am. 3.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
3.3.
3.3 में भी डाउट है अलारिका 3.5 में कोई डाउट है
No, mama, no. Yes. Not 3.3, 3.5.
Okay, tell me the question in 3.5 first.
Ma'am, can it fall down once?
Sure. Rebanta, what are you saying, bache?
In the word
Ma'am, in the question.
Ma'am, the 5th one, in the word mathematics.
Oh, this is very simple. I'll tell you. Abhi batati hu. I also gave this kind of a question on the test.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that Olympiad.
Yeah. Acha Rebanta, what is your, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I want to say that in the question number 14, can it be the one, scroll down?
Question number 14 पे फिर अभी भी question बच्चे उसी टाइम क्यों नहीं बोला that ma'am there is a doubt in 14. हाँ जी बोलो.
No, here in the first number 1 by 15, then 9 by 15, and then 9 by 15. The last one will be 8, and the middle one will be 9, and the first one will be 1. So 9 plus 1 equal to 10, and 10 plus 8 equal to 18.
No, but you have to see that for the value of A, Rebanta, all 3 A should be equal because all 3 are A, na? So they have to be equal. They can't be unequal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, it should be 6, but then 3 in the answer.
Who is talking? The voice is breaking. Is it Pranavi?
No, ma'am.
हाँ, कौन बोल रहा है? Is it boy or girl?
it's Admina.
Admina, yeah, bacha, repeat again. Your voice is breaking.
It should be 6 because 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 8, but it's 3.
Bacha, but
3 plus 3 is
Admina, please look at the equation. In the denominator on left side, it is 15. Do not get confused. On right hand side, it is 45. Are they equal? Is 15 equal to 45? Bacha, आप confused हो रहे हो. This is the way I was trying to clear the doubt last time. 15, 45 is 3 times 15. Similarly, above it is 3 times a. You remember I told you that if we multiply, okay, let me put it this way. If my equation is, wait, it cannot be 6. 6 is wrong. If I have to find an equivalent fraction of 18 upon 45 in such a way, how can I make this thing equal? Tell me, so that both of them are equal. What is the way? If I multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3, I will get the same thing. नहीं, ये भी इससे और confusion हो रहा है. Admina, here the denominator differs. See, look at the denominators in both the equations. They differ. So A cannot be 6. A will be 6 only when on both sides denominators are same. You are stuck, bacha. I can see your picture is stuck. Am I audible, Admina?
Ma'am, when you will
Who has joined in with the name Chayanika? Who has?
It's me, Udipan.
Okay, it's you. Okay, all right. I thought that who is in our class, bacha. Admina, am I making sense, bacha? The denominators are different on both the sides. So please do not get confused. We have to go by that method only. I don't know, where is she? Is she there in the class?
Who? Yes, she is. Yes,
She is.
ma'am.
Yes,
There is a name
but,
in the shower.
Bacha, you can write in the chat box, Admina. Your voice is really breaking a lot. So coming to Aradhya, I'll come to you. Coming to Alarika's question in this sheet. Alarika, do you know what are vowels and what are consonants?
Yes.
A, E, I, O, U are vowels.
Yes.
Okay? Now in the word mathematics, tell me how many consonants are there? M is a consonant, T is a consonant, H is a consonant, again M is a consonant, T is a consonant,
Ma'am,
is a
it can be
consonant, and S.
Ma'am, A for addition can be the vowel.
So I am not counting vowels. I am taking out 2 A's, 1 E and 1 I. I am not counting them. Tell me the total number of letters in mathematics. M-A-T-H-E. M-A-T-I-C. 11. So out of 11 letters, 4 are vowels. So how many are consonants, Alarika? Only 7?
Yes.
So 7
by 11.
7 by 11. Simple. 7 is number of consonants and 11 is total number of letters.
This
in
is
the
the
word.
answer 7 by 11.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Aradhya, what is your doubt, bacha? Is it in this exercise?
Yes, ma'am. Fourth question.
Fourth question. Which of the following sets of fractions are arranged in descending order? First thing is their denominator should be same. If the denominator is same, all the fractions are like, you just have to check that in which of the options are the numerators in descending order. So I can see descending means big to small. So I can see it is in B part. 10, then 7, then 2, then 1. In the like fractions, Aradhya, don't look at denominator, only look at numerator. And numerator should be in descending order. So only in option B, numerators are in descending order. So that's my answer. In all other options, there is some gadbad here or there. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. And I have doubt in question number 15.
15. 15. In this, you have to arrange the fractions in all the fractions are like fractions. So the smallest numerator is 1,
Easy to do it, ma'am.
then 2, then 5, and then 7. So I will say 1 by 3, then 2 by 3, then 5 by 3, then 7 by 3. Simple.
So easy, ma'am. Ma'am, this was so easy.
No, sometimes in easy questions also we get confused.
Ma'am,
Okay, Ishan, is there a doubt in this
I
sheet?
was doing some.
And 3.5 in 20 question. My answer is 20 by 6. It is correct or not?
Acha, which fraction is same as 6 by 20? You just, when it is...
3 by 10.
Yes, you just have to reduce the fraction. That is it. Both of them should be equivalent fractions, Ishan.
Ma'am, my answer is 3 by 10.
3 by 10 is correct. Yes, this is correct. Okay. Hanji, Zaira, is there a doubt in this sheet only?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I have doubt in question number 16.
16. Okay, wait.
And ma'am, I have this 2 doubts in the test.
टेस्ट के डाउट्स बेटा लारिका मैम आज डिस्कस नहीं करेंगी, सबके टेस्ट करने के बाद करेंगी. मैम कांट डिस्कस डाउट्स ऑफ टेस्ट बिफोर अटेम्प्टिंग टेस्ट.
Can this 2?
Sorry,
Ma'am, can we just discuss 2 also?
no, we can't. I have prepared a test. I want each one of them to attempt the test first.
Ma'am, I attempted the test, but I did not submit the answers and I got confused in question number 10.
You will have to submit. Now I have explained similar question. Now do it, submit it, and
Yes.
ask me doubts in the next class. First, give
But
it
is unlike fraction.
unlike fraction. No. Why will I give you a question of unlike fraction, Pranavi? कहाँ गलती हो गई? Ribanta, is there any question of unlike fraction in the sheet? Ribanta, Zaira, is there any question of unlike fraction in the sheet?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, Pranavi, check it again. I have not given any question of unlike fraction, bacha. I have the thing that I haven't taught you. Why will I give such a question to you?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now this question, we have to find value of B, correct? So Zaira, we will take it one by one. See, 50 upon 30 is equal to 5 upon A, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, tell me one thing. Can I reduce 50 upon 30? Can I make it more simpler? Because they are equivalent fractions. So can I reduce by the table of 10?
Yes, ma'am.
I will get 5 here.
Yes, ma'am.
I will get 3 here.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you got the value of A. It is 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
When the fractions are equivalent, we can reduce them. I mean, we can use that thing that, okay, this can be reduced or and this be increased. Now see, how will I solve? Now A is 3, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 5 upon 3 is also equal to 15 upon B. Now what number shall I multiply 5 on left hand side so that I get 15? 3? 3 into 5 gives me 15.
Yes, ma'am.
So let me multiply my denominator also with 3. So my B becomes 9. 3 into 3, 9. Zaira, is it clear?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, actually I got the same answer. Actually, it was very tricky to do it.
No, it is not tricky. Even I was trying to explain 3a upon 15 is equal to 18 upon 45 in the same manner
But
that day.
ma'am, actually I went to washroom, so I didn't know the method, but I know how to do it.
Okay.
It's
I
an
was
easy
trying
way.
to explain that question to you people by the same way that day, but you were not able to understand, so I found another way. Yes, Abdul, tell me.
And ma'am, actually, ma'am, the method which you said right now, I only use that method. But
Okay. Any which way, the method that you understand, you can go by that. No issues, both are correct. Yes, Abdul.
that way I went.
7th one.
7th one. Okay, bacha. This sheet is actually to be done in the class. This is a tricky sheet. 7th one. I explained this question last time. I think Abdul was not there.
11th
This was Ishan's doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Arun has 5 mango plants and each plant has 4 mangoes, Abdul. So how many mangoes do I have in total? There are 5 plants, 4 mangoes in each one of them. So if I multiply 5 with 4, I will get total number of mangoes.
20.
20. Okay, correct. So my denominator is 20. Denominator is always total number of things. When he was watering the plants, he saw 5 green mangoes. So out of these 20 mangoes, 5 mangoes are green and mangoes are green. 5 upon 20. Abdul, my numerator is 5. Why? Because out of 20 mangoes, 5 are green. So my fraction becomes, I have to find out the fraction for the mangoes which are green in color. So it is 5 out of 20. And then I will reduce it. When I reduce it by the table of 5, I get 1 upon 4. Is it clear, Abdul?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Rebanta, you are raising hand.
Ma'am, in the question number 18, there is it is like the fill in the blanks, and I think it will be 21. Means yes. Oh, it is like this.
Okay, all right. This is a different question. Do you know how to solve a question when the numerators are same? Oh God, this is a different thing. And I will explain. Wait, Abhi, Revanta, just remind me. Let me first finish with doubts. This is a new.
Ma'am, this one
I have
also
to teach.
this was so tricky for me also.
I will tell you a simpler way. Abhi, I'll tell you. Today only I'll tell you a simpler way. I will have to.
But ma'am, you never teach this thing.
I never taught this thing because
Yes.
this thing was not there in the content, but I will teach you today. Okay, let me first finish her doubts. Alarika, do you have another doubt in any other exercise?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then let me teach this thing first. When the numerators are same, how to solve, when the numerators are same and denominators are different. Let me just share the whiteboard.